Hello to everyone. Today we are going to study a new tense. It is not completely new because we have already found some examples of this tense, the present simple. We have already talked about routines, everyday habits, school routines, etc. But today we are going to focus on its uses and its form. As you can see, present simple is used to talk about routines, habits. For example, I get up at 7 o'clock, mi sveglio alle 7, mi alzo alle 7. Or I have lunch at 12, pranzo a mezzogiorno. Or she does her homework every Wednesday, fa i compiti tutti i mercoledì. Or he watches TV every afternoon. Guarda la televisione ogni pomeriggio. All these sentences represent routines, habits that you usually do every day, okay, in your week. So present simple is used to talk about these routines, these actions that you usually do. But it's used also to talk about permanent situations, situazioni permanenti. For example, my sister works in a fast food restaurant. Or the sun rises, il sole sorge. These are permanent situations, situations that don't change. And it's used also to talk about orari, timetables. For example, school starts at 8 o'clock, la scuola inizia alle 8, or the train leaves at 9 o'clock, il treno parte alle 9. So, present simple is used for routines, permanent situations, timetables. Now, we are going to focus on the form. As you can see, these sentences, I get up at 7 o'clock, I have lunch at 12. They show that present simple is very simple because this is like the base form of the verb. È come la forma base del verbo, ok? The only difficult thing is when we arrive at it, he or she, where we have to put an S at the end of the verb. For example, school starts at 8 o'clock. So in this map here, we can find soggetto, in this case is I, school, plus forma base del verbo, get up, have lunch, plus S alla terza persona singolare. Start becomes starts. It is the only difficult thing that we have when we study the present simple. Not the only one. Let's have a look at other changes. In our examples, we had she does her homework every Wednesday, or he watches TV every afternoon. So here we have the base form plus es, es. So there are some changes we have to focus on. If the verb ends in O, we add es. If the verb ends in ch, sh, double s, x, o, or z, we add es. So for example, I watch, he watches. If the verb ends in vowel plus y, vocale più y, like play for example, no problems, we add an s. I play, she plays. Okay, I stay, he stays. While if the verb ends in a consonant plus a y, so the y changes in I and then we add es. I study, she studies, I cry, he cries. So we can say that, for example, for these verbs, ch, sh, double s, x, or z, there is a sound problem. So we add es instead of s, because let's imagine to say watches or rushes it's not good, okay, to listen to. So English likes to add es in these cases, not only in these cases, also if the verb ends in o, and if the verb ends in consonant plus y, we have this change. Y becomes I, and then it adds es.
So, thank you for your attention and bye-bye.